Well, if you are lucky enough to own your own home, you also know it needs constant upkeep to maintain its value, and keeping the outside up is just as, if not more, important than keeping up the inside. This is Jamie Bowles. He's the owner of America's Home Pros. He helps you keep the exterior of your home looking like new, and he keeps that important curb appeal, which we all want. Thanks for being here.
No, you're welcome. No problem.
Tell me about what you offer homeowners, because it's a lot.
It is a lot. And we do exterior painting and repair. So we
Okay.
take the exterior painting to the next level, and we'll fix damaged stucco, the cracks in the walls, that sort of thing. We'll fix and replace any rotted or damaged wood. And then when we do repainting for the exterior, we use a specialty paint called ArmorCoat, which is Arizona's toughest paint, and that has a longer lasting warranty.
Okay, so I was asking you earlier, why as a homeowner should I care about that? But that's basically it, because then I don't have to maybe paint as often because it's going to last longer, right?
That's right. So, painting is a maintenance item and something that it needs to be kept up with. And a lot of times if you don't do the proper repairs before you paint, you end up painting over damage, and you can cost yourself a lot more time and money down the road.
Right.
So we come out and we make an attempt to fix it and repair it all so it has a long-lasting warranty for you.
Yeah, I love that, because we don't just, they say don't want to put lipstick on a pig, right? If there's issues, structural issues, or those cracks, pretty important to address those. So other than using that paint, what makes you guys different? You guys really, you dive into what needs to be done.
That's right. We're actually 4 trades, 1 company. Okay,
Yeah.
so we don't just paint. We use masons to do the stucco work. We use carpenters to do the woodwork. We'll do drywall work with the drywall folks, and then we'll bring in the painters as well. Where a lot of companies, they ask their painters to do all that work themselves, where sometimes they're moderately capable.
Sure.
But we use specialists in each category, and so we feel like we can really deliver a real high-end project when it's all done.
Well, yeah, and you said this is the time of year a lot of people, we're venturing back outside, we're noticing those cracks. You guys can come in and help us get those taken care of. So walk me through what that process is like. If I am getting outside, looking at my yard, looking at my house, I'm like, okay, we got some issues here. What do you guys do?
Well, there's a couple things. You could call us and we could schedule an appointment online, or you could fill out our application online, and
Okay.
then we could connect with you that way. We'll schedule an appointment. It takes about 60 minutes or so when we come out to your home, because we will do a full inspection outside the home with you. So we'll identify any of the damaged areas or things that may need to be repaired or looked after. Then we'll go inside and generally do about a 10 or 15 minute small iPad presentation to kind of show you what the work would look like and what needs to be done. And then we finalize the estimate for you. So
Okay.
it's pretty easy going.
And what's cool about it too, so you're going to give us an estimate. That's a no obligation estimate, right?
100%, and it's totally free estimate, no problem.
Yeah, so if you're looking at that number and you're like, okay, I need to get this done, I might need to wait a little bit. We're not obligated. You also have financing options, which makes it within reach for a lot of people.
It really does, and we have flexible financing options. Not to mention we have 3 different paint systems, so we have like a good, better, best approach to this. So you don't always have to go with the most expensive option. So there's different options available, and with the financing, we make it very flexible and affordable for people.
Yeah, really, really cool. I mean, it is good to have that done, because you don't want to just let things get worse and worse, right?
That's right.
Right, the big bad wolf blow your house down. All right, Jamie, thanks so much for being here. And he does have a special offer for you as well. Get that free in-home consultation plus 20% off your project. Some restrictions may apply. You can reach America's Home Pros by giving them a call at 480-590-1055 or visit them online at ahomepros.com.